What's up, everybody? It's Earl coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. I got a real treat for you here. Gather around and pay attention to this 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1, completely gone through. This thing is amazing. It's Acapulco blue. It's got a blue printed 351, numbers matching block, heads have been polished, rings. It's got a cam in there. I mean, everything high performance, rated a little over 400 horsepower now. I've got all the information on the engine. You could call me, I'll go over it with you. I'll also try to put as much online on our website as I can. But this thing is amazing car all the way throughout. A lot of love has been spent on this baby. Your front chrome is in great shape. All your lights are working the way they should. Your front valance is great. I mean, just all your bolts. This is an M code car for you Ford people. It's got the shaker hood. Let's get up close and see that. It's actually a new hood, I was told. Look at how it gaps out. Got your hood pins on there. Paint shines beautifully. All your glass and wipers are good. The chrome around there as well. Look at that shine on that Acapulco blue. It's been upgraded with four-wheel disc brakes. Old system's been pulled out. The rear drums have been taken out, and now you've got a four-wheel disc brake car. Gaps are great. Door to fender. All your stripes are right. Quarter to the door is great. Little breather in there. Right wheels are on that car. Everything in the back is the way it should. Lights are working correctly. Chrome bumper is good. You can see right there, original weld. Original weld. Trunk, spare tire is intact. The louver, which came with the Mach. No dents, no imperfections in the paint whatsoever. All your wheels are in good shape. Hood line is great. Glass all the way around the car is good as well with the weather stripping. You just see it. It's just deep and right. Major attention grabber, great driving. I enjoyed driving it as much as I didn't want to get out of it. That's how nice it is. Take a look inside. Air-conditioned car. Power steering. Power discs all the way around. All your inside door panels are great. Seats. Original stickers all the way through. And there, no rust to be found. The underneath is very clean. Back seats are done with all your seat belts, and there is paperwork that's going to be coming with this. Center console, tack on the after gauges here. Let me just show you. Let's fire her up. Look at that. Even the clock is working. I love it. $48,090. All your gauges are working. Turn signals are working. Aftermarket gauges. Interior's in great shape. fast so we could all hear it. It's a real dream. Amazing. Amazing car, folks. It's located, of course, at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, 15 minutes away from O'Hare Airport, southwest of it. We've got over 260 cars in our warehouse. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I'll give you my phone number because I'm sure there's going to be some questions. Or if there's something you see on our website, we've got all our pricing, descriptions, as well as video at mgmclassiccars.com. We do order a lot of shipping all over, so we do enclosed and open all over the nation. Again, you can text or call me with any questions on quotes for that or on any of the cars you see, or I'd like to just talk. Special financing is available up to 180 months with good credit with 10% down. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and call me if you have the questions at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. Thank you. This is a beautiful 69 Mach 1 Ford Mustang, 48,000 miles, completely been redone, numbers matching. Let's get this in your garage. Give me a call. Have a great day, everybody.